Hello, Cheesy's Customs here again. As you can see, we got the veranda down from that last video. Bit boring, but anyway. Bit boring, but anyway. Today I'm going to rip out the VH Commodore's tank. I have a bit of an issue every time I go driving for a distance. Say to work, it's only 25 minutes. It starts cutting out, blah 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 blah, and then you stop, and it comes back again. So I think the fuel tank's blocked. Yeah, I never checked it. So we're going to pull it apart, look at it. If it's too rusty, we'll go get a VN one because it's got more litres in it. If not, we'll put a fuel cell in it. Get ready for the conversion. Let's go. So here's the VH under the palm trees, and jacked on there. We've got a flat tyre, so it was a good opportunity to jack her up. Yep. This is gonna be fun. Got the aircon dripping. Might get a bit dirty on this one. Well, see how we go. Is that? Don't tell me that. Nothing like a foot pump. Anyway, it's not flat anymore. No. It is. It's only flat on the bottom. Get the agga dagga. Let's go. Hi, Shan. Hi. How are you? Good. Want to help do the fuel tank? No. No, I'll do it myself. Okay. This one. That should do. Alright. Might put some jack stands underneath there first. While I take this wheel off. A little bit safer that way, isn't it? Anyway, so put them underneath. bit tight with my pussy right here. Anyway. Ow! That hurt. On that bone there. Ow. Right, that should be safe enough to drop it down. Then we deal with spiders. Let's go. Ow, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Sad. Oh. Oh, good. Alright, so we've securely got it on some jack stands. So everyone should be a-okay with that. If you're not okay with that, put it in the comments. Oh, let's get this tank out. Let's see how much rust is in it. How do I get the tank out? So here we go. Let's get the bastards. Alright, we're under the car. It's got safety stands there, so my heart's not racing that much. What do we need to do? So, if you look up there, not much. Oops. So, I think we'll cut that line, get rid of that spider nest. Yeah, I think that's just a push on thing, and that's just earth. Alright, that's there. I think we'll just and cut that one, put some fresh rubber on it. Might need bigger lines where we're going. And I think this needs a pressure clean. I really need to take it to a car wash and blow underneath, eh? But yeah, I think we'll have to undo these straps and that metal plate and take the clamp off over there underneath there. So I think that's just a couple of Phillips heads. So I have to get a Phillips head. But oops. So we'll get this plate off. This one in there. See how many spiders are behind it. So if anybody's wondering what tools I use Robies rattle gun. I get them from Bunnings. They're a good tool. They do what I want. I'm not out with these fancy tools like every other mechanic. I just use what I got. Use what you got. Works. Breaks. Go buy another one. With the magic of YouTube, I've got the screws out there. Funny enough, they came out. So what's going on here? Yeah. Whoop. Came out, but I took these with it. Alright, so there's all the tubes. And as you can see, this is a bit broken. So it's probably a good idea I'll pull it out, because it looks like crap. Oh, another broken hose. Oh, that one just broken half. So that's a good idea.
No hose on that one. Oh, that one's a broke. Alright, let's take her out. So hopefully the fuel tank's not full, because yeah, I should be able to sell on the black market the way the prices are these days, aren't I? Yeah. Well, here we go. Well, that's an issue. But we just broke a bolt. See that? So I won't be going back in today. Just means fuel cell. Yep. Alright. Continue on. Oh. I need that bolt. Oh, that's hot. Alright. Nut came off this one. Winning on that was odd. But it's a little bit hot, so we might have to put some looby dooby on it when we put it back together. How did I get shit on my head? Alright. Should fall out now. Watch all the dust.
Price of fuel these days. Shit. Gotta drain the tank somehow. Give it a go. Fuel's that bad. I've got to get out the parts car. Might be a minute to go to work. Sorry if I'm late, boss. I'll be there soon. That's 20 litres. Go for another one. Alright, that's 30 litres. So I'll tell you what, my lawnmower ain't going to go fucking without fuel, is it? Especially this fuel fucking crisis going on. Anyway, it's dirty fuel. Apparently what's what the government's going to be giving us soon, so anybody boy who wants some fuel, I've got 30 litres. Got a special going on. $5 a litre. We'll see it then. Alright, come see me if you want some fuel for your mower. Anyway. Oh, got the fuel tank out. And if you see me walk that tank that way, I did not do anything illegal. I put it into my high booster. Yeah, it was empty. The tank was empty in the high booster, so I had to fill it up. Or toy booster, I mean, sorry. For all you people playing at home, the Corolla with the high booster in it. If you haven't seen that, go see the other channel of videos. Go see the other videos I got. But anyway, so tank's pretty cruddy. That's pretty cruddy, so we'll give it an open. Have a look inside, eh? See how much dirt's in there. But yeah, definitely needs new rubbers. Either that, or I'll just put a fuel cell in it because we've got that new motor coming. That'll be future videos because it's not here yet. But yeah, that'll be just a stocky just transfer until I get everything in there running. And once it's running, we'll put some boost on it. VH is up in the air. Fuel tank's out. On jack stands. What I need to do, because yeah, I had bloody jack. Why can't they make quiet jacks? I think that'll be my next adventure. Quiet jacks when you roll them. Put them on rubber wheels. Stupid idea. Anyway, so yeah, my when I was driving that to work, VH was to work the other week. Started conking out. Every 10-15 minutes, drove along full speed, like 110 doing the speed limit. Yeah, she just and then you stop, pull over. She regains herself and comes back in. It's like it was running out of fuel. So the only thing I didn't do, put new filters and stuff on it, so maybe it needs a new filter again because I never looked in the tank. And yeah, it could be full of crap. So I'll have a quick gander in there. Yeah, and that'll tell us if we're putting wouldn't mind putting a VN one in there. You know, those 80-litre tanks. That looks cool. Big drop tank in the back sort of style. You know, the old SLR Taranas. Yeah, the Taranas. But anyway, yeah, if anybody's got one, shout out. That'd be cool. If not, I'll just chuck a fuel cell in there. I've got 4. Alright, to get that ring off, I just use a bit of metal called a file, called a heading tool. Put it on the latch there, the little lug there. Set it on there. And boom, boom, boom on the hammer. And then it twists. Like that. And then it comes out. Now, looking at that, and that, and let me get some light in there. Like it's not bad. That's bad. So yeah. If anybody's got a VP, VN or VN VP fuel tank they want to get rid of, and I've got a fuel cell if you want to swap. But yeah, that'd be cool. Let us know in the comments, or just send me a message, Facebook or on through here, whatever. But yeah, so there's our problem for the fuel system. Alright, so I'll leave it here on that video. Thanks for tuning in again. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, tell your friends, tell your mum, tell your dad. And we've got plenty of projects to go. I got the K, or the Gemini, got some windows doing that one. The K10, we're doing a paint job with a spray cans. That's what the wife wants to do, so we'll do it. Then if you see that, the V8 or the XH, I called it the VH the other time. Nobody picked up on it. Well, anyway, it's an XH. Yeah, we still got tub tool with that, so I've got an extra stand now, so we can actually get that open there, get that in there. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Cheesy's Customs, where it's at. Anybody else got some cars they want to sell?